we're gonna do another unboxing. It's free unboxing. Oh, wait. So we're gonna do another unboxing. This one, it is actually free. So I wanna share it with you guys what I got. So let's do it. We can open this one. Yeah, this is actually free. So I decided to get this one because it's free. So this is Lippy. It's a lipstick. It's MAC. It's MAC lipstick. Let me see. Let me open it. The reason why I get free because I was purchasing an item, and I had a rewards for my birthday, and also I got points. So I was decided to get this free one and use my coins and my rewards. So I got this one, two here. Let me close up here. Doesn't close. Let me see. How can it do it? It's a solution bed. Here it is. It's a MAC. Oh, it's nice there. It's a free one, guys. It's a free one. And the other one is Whirl. It's Whirlpool. Actually, I have like I like this one. It's like brownie kind of color. So I like this. So it's free, guys. Free is good. So let me open this one. Free is good. Free is good. It's empty. So okay. So this one, it's a clinic. It's a clinic. It's also lipstick. Yeah, it's free. Oh my god. How many are they? I think this one are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 of these different colors. So this, guys, I got it for free. So I got total of 12 plus 2 is 14. So I got 14 free lipstick, 12 clinic lipstick, and 2 MAC lipstick. So it's 14 lippy free lipstick. It's free, guys. Yeah, I mean, I used my points and a rewards card for my on sale, so that's why I have this one too. So yeah, this all free, and so I might give this to, like, when I go back to the Philippines, I might give this to my relatives, one of each, so they can have it. It's like cute, it's really tiny cute. Look, it's nice color though. Look, it's nice color. And there's mini colors here. Like, what color is this? It's I don't know what the color is this, but it's nice. There were different colors, so I got these guys for free. I mean, free is good, actually. Free is good. So yeah, that's all about my unboxing. So I just want to share it to you. These all free, and I didn't spend any dime for this, or shipping is free too. So yeah, it's totally free, and I'm happy because I got free. Free is good. Who would love that? Free is good. You guys love it? Like, you get free one, you would be happy. I am. It's free, right? Alright guys, see you, and thank you for watching to my unboxing. And guys are haven't subscribed my channel, please do so, and please click the ring button and share to your friends or family, so that, and all guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. So I was out to Bella, Mofia, my baby, William Golan, Justin G, Nani D, all my whitey friends, Inja Watanabe, hi, Sis Rina, Sis Francie, Leah Lee, hi Idol Jake, mega love shout out to you, and Opada. I see you guys next time. Bye. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.